Okay, yeah, Famit, can you share your screen?
Uh,
Just
I think Farhana is going to be leading. Farhana, can you share your screen or what?
okay, okay, yeah. Finally, go on, share your screen and just open your retro board. Oh, let me log in also.
Just give me a minute.
Sure.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one, like Famit Khan wrote, like, I wrote 10 user stories, including API specification for the e-commerce website. Joined the API automation workshop with the QA team. Started working on a show and tell for okay, it will be the Microsoft applications. Started working with the TS4 development team. Started working on a show and tell for Microsoft application. Okay. So I wrote 10 user stories. Okay, so like you have assigned uh for
For the user panels and the categories, but I would user all the 10 user stories are for user panels.
okay, user panel. So you didn't
Yes.
write for the categories.
No, I did not yet. I'll start working on it some point today or tomorrow. I mean,
Okay. So like uh okay, so like what was the roadblock? Like you couldn't complete the categories one. Like categories in say can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no,
yeah, it's
5.
only 6 user
Yeah.
stories. It was just like, it was not like, I wouldn't say I had a like roadblocks on it. It's just,
Mhm.
what do you call, I was literally paying attention to the user panel parts more and more. So
Okay.
yeah, I mean, I did not
So
have like any specific roadblocks that I can complain about, but yeah,
mhm.
so.
Okay, so like in the user panel, do you have any question on there? Like, did you write all the user stories of the user panel? You're
Yeah,
seeing?
I have a question. So about the Google authentication, did you guys fix it or still?
No, we didn't fix it yet. So, what we can do? Okay, yes, by this week we will work on it and we'll fix it.
Okay, that's the only question I had on the thing. So
Okay, and rest of the like for the Google Auth, we have like 1, 2, 3. Uh, 3 user stories, yeah. So and rest of the so like request is good. You don't need to for the Google Auth. So you are fine with all of those,
yes.
right? Okay, we'll review.
Mm.
Okay, then you also mentioned that join the API automation workshop with the QA team. Okay, so did you write any note for that?
Yeah, I did. I shared with Shiblubai, and so
Okay, did you practice on anything?
I'm still watching the Postman videos because it's kind of thing like a lot of technical parts. So I'm just trying to like understand more and more. And hopefully I'll start doing some hands-on. I mean, if not tonight, maybe tomorrow. I mean, definitely tomorrow, if not tonight. So
Okay, so I mean, whatever you have watched, you couldn't do, I mean, any hands-on yet on the postman, right?
no, no.
Okay,
I'm just like, it's not like I'm just watching and watching. I'm like, like, let's say I'm not understanding a part. I'm just like, rewinding it and watching back and forth. So
okay. So, uh, do you have any question? Any did you prepare any question for that yet?
not yet.
Okay,
Yeah, if I have any question, I'll either ask on a group or I'll set up a one-on-one meeting with any of the operation team members. So.
okay. So, what will you do? Like when you will watch the workshop video? Okay.
Mhm.
Obviously, like you will what say like. um, you'll have your notebook
Mm-hmm.
and write down the points. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
whatever, like if you watch the same videos over and over,
Mm-hmm.
like you cannot catch the key points. Okay,
Yes.
so
Mm-hmm.
that's why whenever you are watching the workshop video, just note down the key points, note down the bullet points, whatever you are understanding, and whatever you have the question, also note down those. Okay,
Yes.
then for the execution you can watch for the second time also, or if you are like if you understand enough to do the execution at the at least the starting part. It's not like that you have to do the all the things at once. Like if you notice that we started, like we created a workspace, then we created a collection, then also in the Swagger we tried it out. So we did step by steps, right? Well,
Yes.
at least you can follow at least 10 steps or 15 steps of the, I mean, just at least do something whenever you are watching any
Mm-hmm.
videos. Just try to do something, um whatever you can. Okay.
Okay.
And okay, then you started working on a show and tell for Microsoft applications. So what will be your topic?
I'll go over like all the different Microsoft applications, like Excel, PowerPoint, Word documents, Note,
Hmm.
Microsoft Teams, and like
Okay, so what will be your plan? Like will you explore like the functionalities of those applications, or you will just show you like the actual uses, like with some examples that in the PowerPoint, this is how we can prepare the slides, and this is the slide I have prepared in this presentation. In the
that thing
Excel,
I
this is
haven't
how.
decided yet because I mean that will come with the time because I cannot take like 2 hours on a show and tw, so
Yeah, no,
so I
at
have
least just
to.
you like at least you can
Then
do some.
do not take all the tools. So a long story short, just show how to use it. What use case you cover
Mhm.
to specific tool. Like Pranta said, you use the PowerPoint for the sliding. So you just make a presentation. So people know the PowerPoint is for the sliding, and you actually build a presentation. So people know how to build a presentation. So many things is done. One shot solution.
Yeah, so you want me to do show them like how to build a presentation, right?
If you target the PowerPoint, sure.
No, no, I'm not gonna target only PowerPoint. I'm gonna
No,
target
no,
like
don't show this, please. Those are
okay,
not the those are not the thing we do here. You exactly know how to use this tool. What is the purpose? I do not want you to show me how to use the tool. That's not the purpose. Those are YouTube is enough. Google is
okay,
enough.
okay.
You solve something, or you target a use case. Make sense?
So you want me to target one specific application from the Microsoft, right?
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
No, you can target many. If you target the PowerPoint, I can show how to build a PowerPoint presentation in 15 minutes. I'm not
Yes.
going to 100 of slides. Make sense?
Mhm.
Couple slide is done. What I'm going to focus on the slide, the formatting, picturing, this and that done. That's it. I don't need to show them like the whole world, the sliding.
No, no, no. That's gonna be like waste of time. They can literally learn them by themselves.
Yes. You show the how to use. So many times people don't know. They know the tool, they don't know how to use the tools. What is the purpose of the tools or the right usages?
Okay.
Okay. So, and also started working with the TS4 development team. So, like, how are you doing on this? Like, what is your feeling about that?
As I shared in the beginning of the meeting, I'm just starting getting a knowledge about how the development team works, and starting getting an understanding about it. So
Okay.
so I'm on the basic. I'm still on the basic parts. So
Yeah. No issue. So yeah. So also like if you have any question, note down the question and you can ask the question there also. Okay. So
okay.
you can do that. Okay, so the next one is for you, like you said that I'll need to finish writing the user stories for e-commerce website by next week, prepare the show and tell by Monday. Okay, that's good. Action items spend more time than on the program and understand the work of the development team. Spend more time on the program